moving was shaking, y'all. Yo, finally got them. It took almost a little more than a week. Finally got the shoes, my riding boots. So, just about to do a quick unboxing real quick. See if I can do this with one hand. Let me see. All right. See if I can do this with the one hand. I can't find my damn knife. My wife got me a nice knife also. I mean, I haven't had it for like a day or so, but it's not lost. It's just misplaced. But yeah, I had ordered it from Cycle Gear, and man, regular price they like $250, $260 or something like that. And y'all know I've still been sticking with the Dainese. Got some Slow this down real quick. All right. See what's going on here. And here we go. Trying to do this with one hand is a mother. With this little. Okay. Oh, let me get this little flap right here. Got that. Whoa. Here we go. These joints look like I can rock these. They're not bad. Not bad. The only issue is they not waterproof. Feel nice and sturdy though. It's the left foot. This look like them Jordan. What's that? 4? No, 5 or something. Yeah, see how that is. If I wear these to work, they'd be like, what are those? That's not bad. Not a bad shoe. Something I can wear, you know, at work also, man. But see, this is what I be talking about, how the rider's boot is actually just nice and... Shit, this look like a basketball sneaker. I might go hooping these. But yeah, y'all, I'll probably do a little... Well, this is my unboxing. I don't know if I'm going to do no review on them, but we'll see how they is when I... Yeah, they the Dainese Atipica, whatever. Air 2 or something like that. But they look pretty decent. Seem like they're pretty much well built. Kind of, you know, feel a little nice and... We gonna see. We gonna see though. But anyways, y'all, I'ma holla. Y'all be easy. Hey man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button too. Is this really an air bubble? Nah. But I'ma holla, y'all. Y'all be easy. Peace. Another thing about this shoe, I like how they call it the iridescence or something. See how the color changed from blue to turquoise and purple. That's not bad. And the line is a little reflective line a little bit. But yeah, I like the purple and the blue. See, it's blue here, purple here. Not bad. And the reflectiveness, you know, just another way to be high visible. So shout out to all y'all, the high visuals. Did I say that right? Slip of the tongue. The high visuals. Peace.